Assalamualaikum and Bismillah. In this video, I will present to you about the Poisson probability distribution. Right, the definition says that the number of events which occur at random in a given time or space interval. So your key point here is time interval or space interval. And they have a condition says that your random variable should have events that are independent of each other. And the mean number of the events that occur at the given time or space interval is constant, means that every time you do experiment, you will have the same number of mean. For the Poisson probability distribution, you can always write your notation as such. X has a Poisson with the parameter of lambda. Okay? Now, the formula used by Poisson distribution is Px equivalent to R will have E minus lambda power R with R over by R factorial. Now what is E, what is lambda, what is R? Okay, now basically E is the natural base log, which is having approximate of 2.71828 and so on. Okay, now lambda is the mean number of occurrence. R is the actual occurrence that you want. Usually the question will ask you about the R. Okay, the Poisson distribution will have a mean, lambda, and the variance of lambda also. And the standard deviation is square root of lambda. Now, how you can identify the Poisson distribution? So first thing first, let's read. If you have the number of telephone call received by a school in an hour. So over here, if you can see that this one have a discrete distribution, number of telephone calls. Whether it's a binomial or Poisson, you will look the key point over here. A school in an hour. School in an hour will give you the time interval. So this is actually time interval. So time interval will have a Poisson distribution. Now, number of accidents occur in a town per day. So this one also a Poisson distribution with a time interval. Number of computers sold at a shop during a given week also is a time interval. Alright, now number of customer entering supermarket during 2 hours interval, so also time interval. Number of mistake per page. Now this one, mistake per page is a space interval. Space interval also can be the number of occurrence in specified intervals such as distance, area, or volume. For example, the number of fish caught in a lake, or the number of potholes in a 10-kilometer road. Okay,